Welcome back to my channel Score and Shine. This video is all about the Feb month Agri Current Affairs 2021. Well, let's get into the video. And the first CA is 8th India International Silk Fair was virtually inaugurated by then Textile Minister Smriti Irani ma'am, and now the textile minister is Piyush Goyal sir, who took charge from 7th July 2021. And this international silk fair was held from 31st January to 4th of February 2021, and this was organized by Indian Silk Export Promotion Council and Ministry of Textiles, and this was sponsored by Department of Commerce. And while coming on to Silk Board was located in Bangalore, and India stands second in silk production, and the world's largest producer and exporter of silk is China. And the next CA is Jute Seeds Distribution and Jute Farmers Awareness Workshop, and this was too virtually inaugurated by then Textile Minister Smriti Irani ma'am, and this was organized by Ministry of Textiles and Central Research Institute for Jute and Allied Fibers, which is located at Barakpur, West Bengal, and National Jute Board. And this was launched based on the Memorandum of Understanding between Jute Corporation and National Seeds Corporation, with an aim to produce 1000 metric tons of certified seeds by 2021. And the next CA is India's first wetland conservation center to be set up in Chennai, Tamil Nadu on Feb 2nd, where World Wetland Day is celebrated. On the occasion of World Wetland Day, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change announced India's first wetland conservation center to be set up in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and this is as a part of National Center for Sustainable Coastal Management. And the next CA is drones to capture crop images under Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, and this was announced by Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare to use drones to capture crop images, and this was started in 100 districts to capture rice and wheat fields, and this is the first time in India to use a remote sensing technology based pilot study for crop yield estimation. And while coming on to Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, it is the crop insurance scheme where the premium rate for rabi crops is 1.5%, and for kharif crops it is 2%, and 5% for commercial and horticulture crops. And the next CA is Asia's largest cattle park to be set up in Salem, Tamil Nadu, and this was inaugurated by then Tamil Nadu CM Edapadi Palanisamy, and this was Advanced Institute for Integrated Research on Livestock and Animal Sciences, and this is the Asia's largest cattle park to be set up in Talaivasal, Salem, Tamil Nadu. And the next CA is 14 new minor forest product items is added under minimum support price scheme to provide fair price to tribals. Ministry of Tribal Affairs included 14 new minor forest products items under minimum support price, and this was under the mechanism for marketing of minor forest products through minimum support price and development value chain for minimum support price. And the other important agri current affairs are Government of India allocates rupees 16,000 crores under Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana for the year 2021 to 2022, and Government of India also allocates rupees 1220.84 crores for Department of Fisheries. And India's tea output drops 9.7% in 2020, so it led to the increase in the prices of tea for the year 2021, and Tea Board is located in Kolkata, West Bengal. And the next year is National Horticulture Fair 2021 was held in IIHR, Indian Institute for Horticultural Research, which is in Bangalore, and the theme for this National Horticulture Fair is Horticulture for Startup and Stand Up India, and World Pulses Day is celebrated on Feb 10 every year, and Flower Processing Center to be set up in Karnataka by Horticulture Department of Karnataka in collaboration with International Flower Auction Bangalore. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe if you are watching for the first time. And thanks for watching. You can also join to my Telegram channel. I'll keep the link of the channel in description. You can go check it out there. Thank you so much.